Okay, this morning I went down to court. I was really disappointed because this fellow asked me to come in and help him get rid of a ticket. And I was all ready and willing to do that. And I showed up in court and I had to wait for him and he got there. And finally they got to him and we went up to take care of some paperwork and the lady there asked him if he would like to plead innocent or plead guilty and pay the money. And they were discussing things with him. And I said, okay, could you produce the plaintiff? And the assistant DA who was there asked me if I was an attorney, and I said, no, I just happen to understand the Constitution. And there was a lady that worked at the court, the assistant DA and this cop, that were all trying to tell me to shut the fuck up and get out of there. They really wanted to, I know, because I was using the constitutional rights with a person we may use. And a lot of people don't understand the fact or realize it, that a judge has taken an oath which becomes a contract with the people to go by the Constitution. If you go by the rules of the Constitution, you have the right to face all witnesses against you in court. That means you can request they produce a plaintiff and they may try to talk you out of this, but if you stand firm, the plaintiff is a piece of property whereby if the courts cannot bring the plaintiff into court, which they would not be able to bring that piece of property, you then have a right to dismiss. And as we started heading towards the door, the DA suddenly decides to offer this fellow a deal, and he got pissed off and told me, I'm talking to the guy because I was telling the dude he'd get out with nothing. And the dude decided to go, the DA dropped it down to 3 points. He was losing off his license rather than 2. So the fellow decided to go with that, but it is possible to beat a ticket completely by using your constitutional rights.